Hey there, today I have these heavy duty nitrile exam gloves by TitanFlex. They are 6 millimeters thick, so let's take a look at them. These are perfect for doing things around the house like cleaning or dealing with raw meat or anything else messy in the kitchen, as well as maybe under the hood of the car if you're doing something with, changing oil or adding oil or whatever. So you can't see it on camera, but they do have a slight texture difference on the fingertips of the gloves, and then the rest are smooth. So that's going to help with some gripping and just some added dexterity for those fingertips. Let's give them a couple good stretches and see how they do. I don't have any tearing. These are a size medium on me. I go size small, size medium. I like the medium just a little better because if I've washed my hands and my hands are damp, then they go on a little easier for me. But nice stretch, and I'm not getting any tearing, which I really like. Let's do a puncture test on them. I'm gonna grab a pair of scissors and we're gonna see how easily they tear that way. All right, so I've got the glove and a pair of scissors, and we're just gonna go through that portion. Here we go. And that's actually really good. You can see the stretching in there, but it's not punctured, and I'm kind of pushing up pretty hard. Still going. All right, finally got some breakage, but it actually took some effort, which I really like with these gloves. There's the hole, but you know what? Overall, super satisfied. I think these are gonna be great for all of those tasks that I mentioned earlier. 100 count box means it's going to last for a little while before you need to pick up another one. So if you are looking for some gloves to help take care of all those messy tasks, then I hope this video helps you decide on if these are a good product for you.